In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a subdomain in Godaddy. Let's dive right in and make sure your online presence is as effective and organized as possible. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Godaddy homepage, where you'll find all the resources you need related to domain names, websites, hosting, and online marketing tools. It's essential to start here as this is the hub for all your Godaddy products and services. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign in button. It's usually located on the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will allow you to access your account, which is necessary for managing domains. After you've clicked sign in, you'll be prompted to log in. Here you have the convenient option to sign in with Google, which is great if you want to streamline the process and possibly avoid remembering yet another password. Make sure you've signed in with the correct Google account, especially if you manage multiple domains. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to your Godaddy account homepage. This will act as your control center for managing your domains and other products. From here, locate the section labeled Manage My Products. Clicking this will open a list of all your products associated with your account. This step is crucial to finding the specific domain you wish to work with. Now that you're in the Manage My Products section, it's time to locate the DNS button next to the domain you wish to modify. DNS settings are where you configure a lot of the underlying protocol that dictates how the internet routes traffic to your domain. When you've found the DNS button, click on it to proceed to the DNS management page. On the DNS management page, look for the section called Forwarding. It's an area dedicated to managing where your domain traffic gets directed. Click on Forwarding, which will bring up options related to domain forwarding, including subdomains. The next step is to click on Add Forwarding, which signals that you'd like to forward the traffic of a particular subdomain to a specific URL. Now, let's add a subdomain. In the field provided, you can designate the subdomain name. This might be something like blog or shop, depending on what you need. Fill this field with your chosen subdomain name. Following that, enter the destination details. This is where you tell Godaddy precisely what to do with the traffic to the new subdomain, like sending visitors to a particular page or site. Make sure the details are correct to ensure smooth redirection. Finally, click on Save. This confirms your new settings and tells Godaddy to start using the configurations you just created. You should now have your subdomain set up successfully. And there you have it, your new subdomain is ready to use. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has made the process clearer and easier for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.